Ever felt your heart race before a big game? That pounding in your chest, the adrenaline coursing through your veins? It's a sensation many of us know all too well. Whether you're an athlete gearing up for a crucial match, or just someone facing a significant moment, that rush is unmistakable. Or maybe your palms got sweaty before a presentation. Standing in front of a crowd feeling the weight of all those eyes on you, it's enough to make anyone's hands clammy. Public speaking is a common trigger for this kind of stress, and it's something almost everyone experiences at some point. You know that feeling, right? It's a universal experience shared by people from all walks of life. That mix of excitement and anxiety, the anticipation of what's to come, it's something we all recognize and understand. Those butterflies in your stomach, that's stress. It's your body's natural response to a challenge or threat, preparing you to face it head-on. The fluttering sensation is a physical manifestation of your body's fight or flight response, gearing up to tackle whatever lies ahead. But guess what? Not all stress is bad. In fact, some stress can be incredibly beneficial. It's what pushes us to perform at our best, to rise to the occasion, and to achieve things we never thought possible. This kind of stress, often referred to as eustress, can be a powerful motivator. Some stress can actually be good for you. It sharpens your focus, heightens your senses, and gives you that extra edge you need to succeed. Think of it as your body's way of giving you a little boost, a nudge in the right direction when you need it most. It's like that extra shot of espresso that helps you ace a test or nail that job interview. Just the right amount of stress can enhance your performance, making you more alert and ready to tackle the task at hand. It's all about finding the balance and using stress to your advantage. Intrigued? Stick around, because in this video we're diving deep into the world of stress. We'll explore the different types of stress, how they affect us, and most importantly, how we can harness the power of stress to improve our lives. Whether it's in our personal or professional lives, understanding stress is key to managing it effectively. We'll learn how to tell the difference between good stress and bad stress, and how to recognize the signs of each. By understanding the nuances of stress, we can better navigate our daily challenges and turn potential obstacles into opportunities for growth. And most importantly, how to make stress work for us, not against us. Through techniques like mindfulness, deep breathing, and regular exercise, we can transform stress from a hindrance into a powerful tool for success. So, let's embark on this journey together and discover how to make stress our ally, not our enemy. Okay, so what exactly is stress? It's a term we hear so often, but do we really understand what it means and how it affects us? In simple terms, it's your body's natural response to challenges or demands. It's a reaction that has been hardwired into our systems over millennia. It's like your internal alarm system, kicking into gear when it senses you need an extra boost. This response can be incredibly useful in short bursts. Imagine this. You're strolling through the jungle and suddenly a tiger appears. Your body immediately reacts to this threat. Your heart starts pounding, your breath quickens, and your body goes into fight or flight mode. That's stress in action. This response can help you run faster or fight harder. Now, you're probably not encountering tigers every day, hopefully, but everyday life throws its own set of challenges. A big deadline at work, a mountain of paperwork, or an important presentation can trigger the same stress response. A fight with a friend, a misunderstanding, or a relationship issue can also be a significant source of stress, or even just trying to get to work on time. The hustle and bustle of daily life can be overwhelming, but here's the thing, stress isn't always a bad thing. In small doses, it can actually be beneficial. It can motivate you to meet deadlines, perform well in a competition, or respond quickly in an emergency. The key is to manage stress effectively. Taking time to relax, engaging in activities you enjoy, and spending time with loved ones can help keep stress levels in check. Techniques like mindfulness, journaling, and talking to a therapist can also be incredibly helpful in managing stress. Additionally, maintaining a healthy lifestyle by exercising regularly, eating a balanced diet, and getting enough sleep can make a big difference. Remember, it's all about balance. Recognizing when stress is becoming too much and taking steps to address it can lead to a healthier, happier life. So is stress a friend or foe? It can be both. It's all about how you manage it. By understanding stress and learning how to cope with it, you can turn it into a powerful ally. Embrace the challenges, take control, and let stress be your guide to a more resilient you. Let's talk about the good kind of stress. Eustress. Eustress is like that motivational speaker that gets you pumped up and ready to conquer the world. It's the feeling of excitement before a roller coaster ride, the thrill of a competition, or the anticipation of a first date. Eustress gives you that extra energy and focus you need to perform at your best. It helps you stay alert, motivated, and engaged. It's what pushes you to step outside your comfort zone and achieve amazing things. Eustress can also enhance your social interactions, making experiences more enjoyable. It boosts your confidence and helps you shine in moments that matter, and while it energizes you, it also helps you find balance and peace. Embrace Eustress as your ticket to excitement and personal growth. Now let's talk about the not-so-fun kind of stress. Distress is like that annoying friend who just won't stop complaining. It drags you down and makes you feel awful. It's the feeling of being overwhelmed, anxious, or exhausted. Distress can show up in your life as constant worry, difficulty sleeping, irritability, or even physical symptoms like headaches or stomach aches. Unlike eustress, which is short-term and motivating, distress is like that house guest that overstays its welcome. It hangs around too long, wearing you down and affecting your health and well-being. To combat distress, it's important to find ways to relax and recharge, like deep breathing, yoga, or meditation. Remember, managing stress is key to maintaining your overall health and happiness. Bad stress can lead to serious health issues, including chronic headaches, fatigue, and even mental health problems like anxiety and depression. Identifying these symptoms early is crucial. Look out for persistent feelings of worry, changes in sleep patterns, and a lack of energy. Effective management includes mindfulness practices, regular exercise, and seeking support from friends, family, or professionals. By recognizing and addressing distress early, you can protect your health and improve your quality of life. In our daily lives, we often encounter situations that can either uplift us or bring us down. The ability to distinguish between these two types of stress is crucial for maintaining our mental and emotional well-being. So, how can you tell the difference between eustress and distress? Eustress is the kind of stress that motivates you, pushes you to achieve your goals, and helps you grow. On the other hand, distress is the negative form of stress that can lead to anxiety, depression, and a host of other health issues. It's all about how you perceive and interpret the situation. Your mindset plays a pivotal role in determining whether you experience eustress or distress. By understanding your own reactions and thoughts, you can better manage your stress levels. Let's say you have a big presentation at work. This scenario can be a source of significant stress, but how you approach it makes all the difference. If you see it as an exciting opportunity to share your ideas and shine, you'll likely experience eustress. This positive form of stress can enhance your performance, boost your confidence, and leave you feeling accomplished. You'll feel energized, focused, and ready to rock the presentation. Your enthusiasm will be contagious, and your audience will likely respond positively to your energy. But if you see it as a terrifying ordeal that you're going to completely bomb, guess what? Hello, distress. This negative form of stress can hinder your performance, make you feel anxious, and even cause physical symptoms like sweating and shaking. You'll likely feel anxious, overwhelmed, and want to curl up in a ball under your desk. This reaction can create a vicious cycle, where your fear of failure leads to poor performance, which in turn increases your stress levels. The key is to reframe your thinking and focus on the positive aspects of the situation. By practicing mindfulness, positive affirmations, and other stress management techniques, you can shift your perspective and turn potential distress into eustress. Remember, it's not the situation itself that determines your stress level, but how you perceive and respond to it. So, take a deep breath, focus on the positives, and embrace the challenges as opportunities for growth. Let's break it down with some real-life examples. Good stress could be starting a new job, planning a wedding, or even going on a first date. These events can be challenging, but they're also exciting and full of potential. They push you to grow, learn, and create new experiences. Bad stress, on the other hand, could be things like chronic work overload, financial problems, relationship issues, or health concerns. These situations can feel overwhelming and difficult to cope with, leading to that dreaded feeling of distress. The good news is that you don't have to let bad stress run your life. You can learn to manage it and even turn some of it into good stress. How? By changing your perspective, building healthy coping mechanisms, and seeking support when you need it. Remember that big presentation we talked about earlier? Instead of focusing on the fear of failure, try focusing on the opportunity to share your knowledge and connect with your audience. Break down the task into smaller, more manageable steps and celebrate your progress along the way. Here are some tried and true stress-busting techniques. Exercise is a fantastic way to blow off steam and release those feel-good endorphins. Meditation and deep breathing exercises can help calm your mind and body. Spending time in nature has been proven to reduce stress and improve overall well-being. And don't underestimate the power of connecting with loved ones. Talking to a trusted friend or family member can work wonders in helping you process stress and gain a fresh perspective. Need a helping hand? Remember, it's okay to ask for help. If you're feeling overwhelmed and struggling to cope with stress, don't hesitate to reach out to a mental health professional. They can provide you with tools and strategies to manage stress effectively and improve your overall well-being. Remember, you don't have to go through this alone. There are people who care and want to help. We've covered a lot of ground today, but remember, managing stress is a journey, not a destination. Be kind to yourself, practice those stress-busting techniques, and don't hesitate to seek support when you need it. Now we want to hear from you. What are your go-to stress-busting techniques? Share your tips in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos on health, happiness, and everything in between. See you in the next one.